now I have a little bit of news, which is really good news because I've just been offered to go out in this. Never even been out in one of these standard, let alone a price 700 brake plus horsepower fucking drift machine. So I'm definitely going to take that offer up today. But yeah, I'll just walk you around what this looks like and take a look for yourself. And a gentleman here just opened the door for me so you guys can have a little look. So there's your bucket seats. So you've got all your LCD screen set up, what gear you're in, all your hydraulic handbrake and everything else, fully roll caged. As I say, this is a unique car, like standard, let alone something being this level. All your race pedals. Yeah, Instagram name. Really cool wheels. Spoiler on the back. Like I said, full roll cage. And we're going to get round to the front in a second so I can show you guys the engine bay. It's a carbon bonnet. And then this says it all. It's extremely hot at the moment because it's just come off the first session. This normally does about 1 lap, doesn't it? And then it's got to come back for new tyres. So it just shows this is no joke, this machine. I'll show you guys the tyres on the back quickly. You can see them completely shredded. And that's 1 lap around Castle Combe Circuit. So yeah, what a machine. I cannot wait to go out in this, to be honest.
Well, that's all I wanted to say. Hold it back on. Thank you for spending the day with us. Give Tom a bit of space as well. Saving the tyres a bit and we'll go back around. Let's cam corner now. into the pits because the tyres are already shredded. Like I said, it's literally 1.5 laps. This is done. So he just said to me, we hit 122 miles per hour down that straight, and he just ripped the handbrake up and just drifted the whole way around that track pretty much. So it is no joke. If you lose control of this thing, it's game over pretty much. But yeah, thank you so much to Hugh for letting me come out to experience this today. I've thoroughly enjoyed myself. It's very different to my usual stuff, and hopefully I get to go out again in some other drift cars in the future. So I've just climbed out to show you guys the rear tyres. That's 1.5 laps pretty much, not even, just over a full lap. So yeah, that was a hell of an experience. Highly recommend anyone that can get a chance to do that in their life. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly head to the track and just see the other drifters go around, capture some of their action too.